Guys, it's first day nature. Today we're gonna be at the pond
with tadpoles.
And we just call it tadpole.
And one crayfish. Get in there, crayfish. Yeah!
Our goal is 100,000 subscribers.
No.
By the end of next year.
Yeah. So, on this video, if we can get 1,000 subscribers or 1,000 likes, then I will eat a tadpole. Alive.
Alive. That almost went bad.
Almost. Oh my gosh. Look at how many wigglers I got in here. Oh, bullfrog tadpole. Oh, actually, there's a baby Davy.
I keep slipping in. I can't do anything. Alright, let's go fill up my bucket while he gets those tadpoles. I need like a selfie stick or something. Because my bucket, my dirty bucket. So I can't film these so easily.
Just a second, I see a bunch.
Where?
Got him. I got a lot more.
Oh.
Ready?
Alright, we got a couple more. Alright, we got some.
Bloop. 1, 2. There goes the bullfrog tadpoles. Bloop. And that was it for the tadpoles on that today. Hey, let me move the bucket a little. Excuse me.
Alright. We're back, and now we're on the other side of the pond. There's our bucket down there.
Oh my
Did
god.
we get anything? A couple tadpoles, tiny, let them go. We let them all go at the end of the video, as you guys did in our last 2 or 1 videos. Can't remember. 1. I think it was 1, yeah. And we are going to try and catch a frog. Boom, there's tons of tadpoles down there. Nope. I'm gonna go. Honey, hand me the net.
You want me to film?
I got this. I failed. I told you I'm not good at this. I'm only good with the rock. Ow! What is that?
This.
Yeah, it's like spiky.
Yep.
We're heading back over to my rod,
Can I do it for you?
and we're gonna reel it in.
You need 2 arms to
Yeah.
do it. So.
Here, I'm gonna give my friend
Here, let me just.
phone. All right, I'm gonna walk over here.
Oh, he's got. There's line in the bush. Line in the bush.
Right.
There you go. Now keep tension on the line. Reel.
Hey. Jeez, I'm a mess. What happened?
Here, hold the phone.
Hold the phone.
Hold the phone. And check.
It's fixed, all right?
Yep. Now I'll keep tension on while you reel. There you go. And there that.
Nothing.
Oh, don't kill me.
All right. I'm gonna cast it back out.
Whee! Little ripple out there. Jerk it once, jerk it.
All done. That's nice. Job well done. All right, we waited like 30 seconds. I'm going to reel it in. Henry, can you hold the phone? Hold the phone.
Sure.
Hold the phone, please. Thank you.
Film? Oh yeah, we are.
All right.
Gotta keep tension on the line. Reel, 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 reel. Slow.
It has it.
Yeah, I know. Oh, stop. It's gonna get caught in these weeds.
Oh my gosh, Henry. Does that let go? Oh, that's just you. Alright, we're gonna cast it out.
Please don't kill me. Whee! Right out There. You want me to hold the line while you...
No, we're gonna go look for some frogs. Nothing's gonna bite it probably because this is more of a
Here.
looking line. You did?
Yeah, watch. See how slow it sinks?
Yeah.
Can you see? Watch. Just needs to twitch me.
Hold on. You see it down there?
Here, how well can you spot it with it? Here, try to cover the camera with the lens with this.
Alrighty. I am looking. It doesn't work. Yeah. Well, that's a bust. Got my net. And we're ready to get some scooping. I got a lot of stuff. Let's see what I got.
Oh, I see a tadpole.
Boom. Oh, 2 tadpoles.
Oh,
Bullfrog. Tadpole.
Regular tadpole.
Regular tadpole.
Regular. Bullfrog. Or no, regular.
Regular. It's a longer tail.
Oh, diving beetle. Oh, and a tree. And a
little baby tadpole. Gee, I hit the jackpot.
That would be it.
Yeah. Right. Well, now that we got a singular scoop with absolutely nothing in it, as usual, 'cause I suck with the net and I don't know ever. I only have gotten stuff down here where we just were. Like, I don't think I'm that good at this net with this net. I think I got something. Hold on, my net. Here we go. No! I suck at this. Late releasing. Once again.
Almost lost the bullfrog.
Almost lost the bullfrog tadpole. Alright, well, that would be the end of the video, guys. Bye.